Next on the menu is notifications. Not all exception notifications need to be sent as an email or text message alert. You can set rules to notify with an on-screen pop-up or to log only. In notifications, you will see these and also other notifications like when a report is available to be downloaded. The red highlighted number lets you know how many notifications are waiting for your review. When no longer needed, notifications can be dismissed. You can use the Dismiss All button at the top of the page, which I just did by accident, but no worries. I can also show dismissed notifications. You can click on a notification for more detail, or view the location of the occurrence on the map as well.